Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to Everyday English Insights. In this lesson, we're going to explore the present tense in English. You'll learn its types, their sentence structures, and how to use them naturally, with real-life examples to make everything clear and practical. The present tense in English isn't just one tense. It's a family of four. We have the simple present, used for habits and facts, the present continuous, for ongoing actions, the present perfect, which links the past to the present, and the present perfect continuous, for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Let's break each one down together. Let's begin with the simple present tense. The structure is subject plus base form of the verb. For third-person singular, he, she, it, we add es or es to the verb. We use it for general truths, repeated or habitual actions, and scheduled routines. Examples: she drinks tea every morning. The sun rises in the east. Next, the present continuous tense. Structure, subject plus, is, am, are, plus verbing. We use this for actions happening right now, temporary situations, and developing trends or changes. Examples: they are studying for their exam right now. I am writing a new book. Now let's move to the present perfect tense. Structure: subject plus, has or have plus past participle. We use it to express experiences, actions completed in the past that affect the present, or actions that started in the past and may still be continuing. Examples: we have visited Paris twice. She has finished her homework. Next is the present perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus, has, have been, plus verbing. This tense is used when an action started in the past, continued up to now, and we want to emphasize the duration. You'll often see it with for or since. Examples: I have been waiting for an hour. They have been living here since 2010. Let's compare them all visually. The simple present is used the most for daily routines. The present continuous covers actions happening right now. The present perfect connects past events to the present. And the present perfect continuous emphasizes time and continuity. This chart gives you a clear sense of when to use each tense. Let's quickly summarize. Simple present, for facts, habits, and schedules. Present continuous, for actions happening at the moment. Present perfect, for past actions with present results. Present perfect continuous, for ongoing actions from the past. And remember, practice is key to mastering these forms. Now let's see these tenses in real conversations. Examples: what are you doing? I read books daily. She has been working hard. These dialogues show how these tenses appear in everyday life. Writing is a great way to reinforce grammar. Try narrating your day. Examples: I wake up at 7 a.m. Currently, I am eating breakfast. I have already finished my tasks. These real-time expressions build your fluency and confidence. Congratulations! You've just walked through all four categories of the present tense, clearly, logically, and with real-life examples. But remember, mastering grammar isn't about memorizing rules. It's about using them in your daily life. So go ahead. Write short stories, speak out loud, or even narrate your daily routine using present tense forms. The more you use them, the more confident and natural you'll become. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe for more English insights, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. Language builds connection, so start speaking with purpose today.